In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clickable link in Constant Contact emails. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn text, buttons, and images into links that drive readers to the right place. First, open your Constant Contact email draft. If you've already started a campaign, open it in the editor so you can work directly in the layout. Make sure the block you want to change is selected so the formatting tools appear. Next, click the text button or image where you want to add a link. Clicking the specific element tells the editor, this is what I want to make clickable, and prevents changes from spilling into other parts of your email. If you're linking words, highlight the exact text you want. Select only the phrase you want to become a link, like shop now or read more, so the rest of the sentence stays plain and easy to scan. Now click the link icon. It looks like a small chain in the toolbar for text, and for buttons or images, you'll see link options in that Elements settings panel. This opens the link dialog where you'll add your address. Paste the URL and apply the link. Copy the full web address from your browser, including the HTTPS portion, and paste it into the URL field. Give it a quick look to catch typos or extra spaces, then apply or insert. After you do, you'll usually see a visual cue. Linked text may change color or underline, and buttons or images will show a link field filled in. Before you send, preview and test the link. Use preview to see how your email displays on desktop and mobile. Click the link in the preview to confirm it opens the correct page and loads quickly. For extra confidence, send a test email to yourself and try the link in your inbox. That mirrors what your subscribers will experience, and that's all there is to it. Open your draft, choose the text, button, or image, highlight the words if needed, click the link icon, paste and apply the URL, and then preview and test. Following these steps ensures your links work, look clean, and help your audience take action. You'll be ready to send with confidence.